哇，好烫。Okay, Dad. So it's a cold day, very cold, like 0 degrees. You're thirsty. You have ice water, it's choice A. Hot water, it's choice B. What do you choose?
I choose the cold.
Why?
Because it's nice and refreshing
Refreshing on a cold day?
on a cold day.
I also choose it.
Can I have the hot water?
What if, let me change it. Okay, this is ice water, and this is hot coffee. Then what do you choose?
I would choose hot coffee.
Hot coffee?
Yes.
Okay. Ice water, hot tea. What would you choose?
I would choose hot tea.
So why would you choose hot tea, hot coffee, but not hot water?
Because there's no flavor, there's nothing that helps me with hot water.
Those are fighting words with China.
Let's start over.
No, that's fine. Let's go outside in the cold and drink ice water together. 应该从哪里开始吧？先要给大家一些美国的历史，让大家理解一下为什么美国人这么喜欢喝冰水。So I'll be the first to admit, America is the weird one. No country uses as much ice in their drinks as we do. We are crazy about ice. So naturally, going to China and having so much hot water available and very little ice is quite strange to a lot of Americans. And I'm not here to change your mind. I know that we're the weird ones, but there's some pretty good reasons why we use so much ice. Reason number one, we're used to it. But why? For that, we need to talk about a little history. In the 1800s, there was this guy named Frederick Tudor, and he developed a way to harvest the ice and distribute the ice much more affordably. He originally gave a lot of ice away for free for customers to use in their drinks, and then people began to expect it. So he created a market for it. And then it became a luxury for the rich. And he started to send it all over the world, including really hot countries, until it was no longer just a luxury, but a necessity. Fishermen used it to preserve their fish longer, and they could ship their fish to many different countries and grow their businesses, and people from all over the world could eat all these foreign foods, which were also considered a luxury at the time. And then came the development of ice cream, and ever since then, Americans just love ice cold things. Reason number two, our refrigerators. So most people don't go buy fresh food every day or two like I do in China. We usually buy food for 1 or 2 weeks and we store it in our fridge. So to do this, we need a bigger fridge. And also, fridges in the US, they all have big ice making machines on them now. Here, come look at mine. This thing is ridiculous. Here's where the ice comes out. I have 2 kinds, crushed or cubed, and it's all made automatically in this machine here. Look at all that beautiful ice. Oh my gosh. That's a lot of ice. Let's have a look at this thing. Oh, can't even move it. There's so much ice in there. So when the ice gets low, this thing will tell the machine to start making more ice, and it just keeps pouring in ice day after day, hour after hour, second after second. All right, back out into the cold. The third reason, 美国人不理解营养，也更不理解上火这个概念。一般的美国人完全不懂上火是什么意思。So I've heard different things in China, like you have to protect the balance of the temperature in your body, or maybe it slows down your qi and things like that. 所以如果你认识任何美国朋友，你可以跟他们解释一下，因为他们很有可能完全不理解。We mostly think that our bodies are really warm inside, so drinking something cold, it's only going to be cold in your stomach for just a short while, and then your body is so warm, it's going to warm up. So to most Americans, it doesn't really matter. And for most people, their bodies will get used to what they eat and drink. And for some drinks, Americans just think it's really strange if it's warm. Like, would you want warm beer, warm Coca-Cola, warm juice? Americans would think it's disgusting. So I don't know, maybe our bodies have just adapted. Reason number 4, everywhere you go, there's ice. Just like in China, everywhere you go, there's hot water. Go to the hotel, big ice machine. Go to the restaurant, big ice machine. So I'm at fast food restaurant. I want to show you how much ice we have, how much ice we can get. Check this out. Push for ice. Push for ice. All of these are unlimited free refills. 所以美国人就有一点 Oh yeah, give me the ice. Give me the ice. That's good. But I'm gonna choose water. This one says lemonade, but just hit this little button here and you just get water. Because I'm healthy. Yeah, right, I'm eating fast food. Ice cold. Love it. If you go to any gas station, there's a huge chest outside just full of bags of ice. And to be perfectly honest with you, if some of my Chinese friends came to the US and stayed at a hotel, they might have a hard time getting hot water. Might have to heat it in the coffee maker or something. And the last reason, number 5, is because we associate cold and ice with fresh. We keep food cold and frozen so it lasts longer and it stays fresh. Cold drink feels more refreshing to our body, especially on a hot day. Refreshing. And you could go to a restaurant in Alaska in the middle of January when it's minus 40 degrees out, and they'll still serve you a cup of ice water. Refreshing. What do you guys think? Are Americans crazy? Leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share. 我是麦克老师，下次再见。